Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now, if you've been looking forward to the review of the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds version 3, well, you're going to want to check out our video because today we're going to unbox them, we're going to review them, we're going to go over the specs, and we're going to put them through our tests, both our EBPMAN call quality and audio tests. Let's get right to them. Now, the Sennheiser's Momentum True Wireless Earbuds have great battery life. We're talking about 7 hours of battery life, 28 hours with the case, and if you happen to use up the battery, plug them in for 10 minutes and you're going to get 1 hour more of usage. Now, this case does support Qi charging, which is also a great feature. Now, they support Bluetooth 5.2. They do have a transparency mode. While it doesn't really sound, I would say, like super hearing, the transparency mode is good. You also have active noise canceling that has an adaptive feature to it. So the active noise canceling is also something that is going to really isolate the noise that are around you to give you a more immersive experience to what is always, I would say, one of the best sound signatures when it comes to audio reproduction in the market. The other thing that you have is 7mm drivers, and then you also have 6 beamforming mics, 3 in each earpiece, that's going to help you with call quality, or so they say, and we'll see that in our EBPMAN style call quality test. And then the last, they have IPX4 rating, which means you can use these in the gym. Now, the case for the Sennheiser is pretty similar to what we've seen in the past, right? So it has a fabric case, does support wireless charging. So we'll grab a wireless charger here from the side, power it up, and if we put it right here, you'll notice how the LED turns on. So wireless charging works. USB-C, and the case is a case that will keep your earbuds in place. It's magnetic, very satisfying click to the close, and you know, it's a little bit larger than I would say I would have liked. I would like them to be a little bit smaller or thinner, the case, but hey, they look good. The earbuds, if we take a look at them, they basically self-guide. They're magnetic. Take them out. You notice how the LEDs turn on inside of them, and you have, again, really no physical buttons, but everything here is touch, and you can see kind of like the mics that they have going on. If we were to put these on, because these are the type that are going to stick in your ear, right? This is what they would look like on. So they do stand out a little bit. So you can see them stand out right there. And if I turn to the right, that's what they look like. Turn to the left, that's what it looks like. As far as comfort goes, they're comfortable. As far as seal goes, you get a good seal. They actually go in your ear. Just make sure you put them in and you twist so that it locks into place. Now, when it comes to audio, like I mentioned, from an audio perspective, Sennheiser has great audio. If you're really looking for, again, a great audio experience, can't go wrong with these. But what we're going to do is we're going to listen to a couple tracks using our binaural mic technology, and then what we're also going to do is we're going to check out our call quality. Now, next we're going to do our call quality test of the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds 3 in a quiet environment. Take a look at our decibel readings. Anywhere between 24 and 27 decibels of noise. It's going to switch. This is the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds sound like in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Next, we're going to add some wind to the environment. This is what the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds would sound like in a windy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, next we're adding some noise to this environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere between 40 all the way up to 80 decibels of noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds. We're going to stay quiet to see how much is being canceled, and then we'll continue with our audio test. It's going to switch. This is what the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, this is what the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds would sound like if an infant were crying in the background. This is what they would sound like if an infant were crying in the background. Now, if you're wondering what the Momentums would sound like with a dog barking in the background, this is what they would sound like with dogs barking in the background. Now, if you're wondering what the Momentums would sound like with a doorbell ringing in the background, that's what they sound like with a doorbell ringing.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are.
So guys, that wraps up our review of the Momentum True Wireless Earbuds.